Very good evening to everyone. Welcome to Pantechelearning. So this is the third day for the data visualization tools through the TABLEAU and Power BI. So I'm very happy to share this information with you all people. So please check with my voice. So good evening to everyone. Yeah, so we will start the session now. So welcome to Pantechelearning. Today is about day 3 data visualization using TABLEAU and Power BI along with the R programming language. So coming to the today schedule is about the content. So how to do the sorting and the filtering. So yesterday we did a filtering process little bit. Today we can do the sorting part and as well as the filtering part, and with the advanced visualizations tools using, and finally we can create the dashboards for the visualization, data visualization using the Excel sheet information. Okay, so I think hope you can listen voice, and hi to everyone. So it's already too late. So very good afternoon to everyone. So today also we are just discussing about the extra, like little bit practical part about the TABLEAU with the different type of the applications here. So how to do the TABLEAU, and in that how to do the sorting with the particular data set, each and everything we can discuss here. So today our schedule is about the same thing only. So what I told here, so how to do the sorting, and how to do the structuring of the data and filterings and pivoting of the data, and advanced visualization through the filters, and the formatting of the data with the different type of the colors, and how we can create the dashboards for the displaying of the data. So hope my voice is audible. So now we will start with the practical session. If you are having the laptops with you, please start with the laptops. And today first we can start with the content is about the structuring of the data. So the first one is about the structuring of the data. Before starting our concept, we should start with loading of the data. So that's why I'm just starting with the opening of the TABLEAU. Go to Windows search bar, type TABLEAU, and you can get the app of the TABLEAU. Click on the TABLEAU app. So it's opening. So this is a symbol of the TABLEAU, and these are what we discussed previous sessions. So now you just want to go with the new data. Okay, then what you want to do? So CSV file, it will take like a text file, but XLSX, and as well as XLS, that file should be Microsoft Excel. So now I'm just clicking on the text file. The first thing is, if you want to do any structuring of the data, sorting of the data, and the filtering of the data, pivoting, okay, for formatting of the data, each and everything, first you have to load the data set into a main program. So now I'm just going with the location of my programming part, and desktop, and MGIT workshop. And here I'm just taking data of the customer analysis here. So I'm selecting my data, and after selecting data, it will display the data in a TABLEAU part. Okay, so it's taking time to display. load time may vary depending on the dataset size and the resources available. So now my dataset is loading to here. So can you see the option in the left side of the files? So this is about the use data interpreter. Data interpreter might be able to clean your text file of the workbook. Whatever you are displaying of the data .csv file, if you are having any unwanted data, you can remove by using of this selection of the block. So please select this block. Then what happened? You can check here. Automatically the data will erase here unwanted data, and it will give a proper data to us. So wait for some time. It's taking a time to uploading and to clean the data. So this is the option is about the cleaning of the data. Means we can say that is about the structuring of the data. So in a proper structure we have to do. So that's why we are going with this one. So can you see? So what I'm having my data structure, and that will be there of .csv file, and here what I'm having my attributes. Each and every attribute will be there here. So we should wait for some time because it's taking the elapsing time. Otherwise just do one thing, again you can start it. So this is the symbol of the TABLEAU. So go to text file and select your text file, whatever you're having, .csv file, and that will be displayed in a workbook. So it's loaded properly. Okay, so this is my data what I'm having. Can you see the data here? So I'm just dragging to here. You can check the data. So this is my data what I loaded into my program, right? So these are the attributes: order ID, order, status. These are my attributes. So now what I want to do. So go to files option here, select the block here, and automatically it will remove some unwanted data from here. Okay, wait for some time. Sometime it's taking to remove the unwanted data. And in between remaining people, can you see if you are having any doubt for the installation or any other issues, you can keep the message here and we'll rectify the problems. Okay, it's taking time, and in between we can go to the sheet 1. Okay, so data is very high, that's why it's taking too much of time. I don't want to do, so I'm just clicking on the unblock, and if you want to do the structuring, and there you have to go. And here mostly today we'll discuss about how to do the structuring of the data. The structuring of the data is nothing but how to do the format of the data in a particular format. And coming to the sorting, means ascending order, the descending order, or any other options you can use for the sorting option. And coming to the filtering option, you are having 10 type of data set, 10 labels you are having, and a lot of samples of data you are having. But if you want to rechange anything, if you want to filter anything, then you can filter by using the filtering option. And coming to the next part, pivoting. Pivoting is nothing but you have to drag the data, and whatever you having the information, the data you have to work within a structure format. So that is the format of the pivoting of the data. Coming to the tooltip, yesterday we used already the tooltip, and formatting with the different colors. I will tell you, the formatting of the different colors is nothing but whatever you are using the data, that purpose we need to use some different type of the colors using the marks. And after that, after creation of the different type of applications, we can create the dashboard for it. Okay, so now can you see here the options? So this is my data, right? What I shown previously, this is my data about the sales, right? So here where we can see the pivoting option. Okay, so I will tell you where we can see the pivoting option. First you should see, can you see here pivoting of multiple selecting of the fields, we can use it. And if you want to remove the unwanted data, just you can click on that button, then it will automatically remove the unwanted data from the our Excel sheet. Okay, so it's taking time to remove the unwanted data because the data set may be very high and it will take the time to executing the process. So now I just opened the data, and pivoting process I already shown to you, right? So that is about the pivoting of the data. And if you want to do any structuring of the data, then we can do the structuring of the data. So now I'm just going with the first one as structuring of the data and sorting option for that. Okay, so now the first one is about the sorting. So before going to the structuring of the data, I'm just renaming with the sorting. So sorting, how to do the sorting process we can do here. So that sorting option only we are going with the data. So now for the sorting option, so I'm taking a different type of the data sets here, but before going to that, so I'm taking to age here, and this age I'm giving right click, I'm just going with the convert to the dimensions, means based on the dimensions it will give a first position for it. So after that, so what I want to do here, so I just want to go with the sorting option. So for the sorting option, I'm taking two, for the columns is one data and for the rows is one data. So you just want to drag the data from the original data, right? So from here to here I'm just dragging the data. So category and to so category I'm taking for the rows data, and so total I'm taking for the rows data. So this is my graphical representation, right? So which type of the graph it is? It's about the bar graph. So the bar graph will be there, and now what I want to do, and sorting I need, right? So can you see here in upside we are having 3 options with the different type of the symbols, right? So before going to the symbols, can you see here total, right? Here the category, so total. So total is about for the rows and category is about the columns. So now I just want to click on the total, and can you see here it's showing some symbols, means this is about the ascending order, the second symbol is about the descending order, and the third symbol is about the view of the data. So can you see, if I'm clicking on that, it's showing automatically sorting of ascending order of the data and sorting of descending order of the data. So now I'm just clicking on the data, and now I got the information is in a descending order. Descending is nothing but max to minimum, right? So can you see it is descending order, right? So if you are clicking on again this one, then this is about the ascending order of the data, and again if you are clicking, it will come for the original position. So these are the quick sortings, means we don't want to take any options from any type of the options like this, a sort like that. Directly we can do the sorting option here itself. So go to the total option, and here you can try with the different type of the sortings. Okay, and this is one option, and another option also will be there for us. And can you see in a upside we are having 3 buttons. Okay, what are the three buttons we are having mostly? So some swapping option is there, means it will give the ones to 0, 0 to ones, means it's like a mirror reflection. Okay, so coming to the next one is about the ascending order, coming to the third symbol is about the descending order. So you can see in a upside of the TABLEAU, and now I'm just clicking on this one. So can you see what I'm getting here? So again I'm clicking on it, right? So I just want to go with the original data. So this is my original data. So that purpose I'm using the reflections. Can you see the reflections? In that reflections what I'm having, so I just used here columns for the total and rows for the category. And otherwise if you want to make changes, you can change, right? So this is my original data, actually what I given the category. So see here the category and total will be there, and it's replacing with their positions, rows to columns and columns to rows. So now you just click on the symbol, automatically the positions will be changed here, right? And coming to the next second and third symbol here, ascending order and as well as a descending order. So what you are seeing in ascending order, so if you are going with the category based on the total value, so how many people are having with the different type of the things. So this is about the quick sorting what we are using. Okay, after completion of the quick sorting, you can use a shortcut name for the Control W. So CTRL, Control plus W you can use to do the sorting like this. Okay, so I'm not using anything. Can you check there? I'm just using my Control W and it's changing automatically. Okay. So these are the symbols what we are having, a sorting option. So why you want to sorting the option? Some people will ask from the ascending order the data, means what we are having the categories based on the different type of the sales. In that sales they will ask some in a order, like I need low data and I need high data. They will ask like that. Then what you will do, you just want to go with the ascending order part like this. If they are asking how many people are going with the max, means then you can go with the descending order. Okay, so the first one is about the mobile, after that Apple, and after that entrepreneur. So like that you have to go the information, right? So this is about the sorting option. And coming to the next options in a sorting, now I just want to go with the another comparison with the data set. So now the first one is about sales I am taking, after that the category I am taking. Okay, so now you just go with the sales, which how many sales will be there. Otherwise you can go with this Okay, I'm using sales to here. So these are my sales. I'm just going with the total and category in a downside. I just want to delete this one. I'm just going with another one as a state. So this is my schedule for my data. Okay, then what you want to do here? So if you are having any option here, just give a right click. Here, just give a right click. Can you see the option as a different type of the options to here, right? Here itself. So we are having the option as like a sort, right? Just click on the sorting option. So in that sorting, previously what we did with a simple way, we used sorting. But now if you want to do different type of the sortings, then what you will do? Okay, please, some people is asking about picture is not clarity, ma'am. So please maintain your data very high, then it will be very clear only, because in my mobile it's showing clearly only. If you are having any issue, just check with the data too. Okay, so now can you see here? So if you want to go with the, it's not about the sorting of the quick sorting, I just want to go with the normal sorting. Okay, so this is about, I'm just giving the sorting 1. Okay, but in these of the sorting, I just want to give some different type of the colors. Then what you will do, just take the category and drag to here, and another one is the total, and go to the total and drag to here and give some different colors for it. Okay, and we know very well about the colors, right? How to do the colors. So based on the category, it's showing each and everything to here. Okay, and for the sum, you just want to go with some labels. What we are having the labels. So can you see here what I did here? For the category, I given the colors. Okay, and for the total, I given as the labels. Then it's showing the option to here. Okay, and if you want to go with much more for this, take total again. Okay, for the total, you can give different type of the colors. Okay, so like this it will show total of the sum and different type of the colors. If you want to take any sizes, you can increase the size, you can decrease the size, how you need, you just give the information to here. Okay, so I don't need want of anything like this. So this is very nice to me, and I just want to go with this one. And here if I want to increase the size, I can increase the size of this data, right? So the size of information is nothing but we can see very clarity of the data. That's it. That's why we are just increasing or decreasing the size of the data. So this is about the sorting 1, right? So now I'm just going with the clicking of the it's clear only for me. In my mobile I am seeing it's very clear to me, and please check with your net. Okay, you will get very clear information, because I am also watching everything in my mobile along with you people. Okay, I'm just getting very clear information only. Just do one thing, expand it, then you can get the clear picture. Okay, so now what you want to do, this is about the sorting of 1. Now I just want to click on okay, now I just want to click on plus button in a downside. Can you see here I am having the sorting option in a downside. Sorting 1 I created, I just renamed with that, and after that I have the plus symbol. I'm just clicking on the plus symbol. Now I got sheet 2, and I want to give the sheet 2 name as sorting 2. This is about the sorting 2 for the same data, but I just want to give with the clear information with lot of options in a sorting. So previously we used only the normal sorting, quick sorting, but now we just want to go with some different type of the sortings to here. So that's why I'm just taking again the sales option. I'm taking to the columns, and for the rows I'm just taking. So previously what we used category only, no? So then we can use the category to here. and you can take the total too. Okay, so based on the total, based on the sales, how you will categorize the data. So that purpose you are taking, then fine. Okay, so now what you want to do, we just want to go with the options in a right side. Can you see in a columns and rows, you can go with the options of right click, just to give a right click and you will get some options there. Okay, now I just want to click on the category, then I got the sorting option. I just want to go with the sorting, just click on the sort and you will get some different options to here. So what I'm getting the options, ascending order. Okay, just want to just delete if you are getting this is about the much information, just delete it and go with the same data like this, and for this you can do the sorting. Okay, now I just want to go with the sorting option, click on the sorting, and we are having the different type of the sortings to here, ascending order and descending order, and just click on the ascending order, then you will get the ascending order the data. And if you want to go with only alphabetics, then you can click on the alphabetics, then data will be changed here. And if you want to go with fields wise, means which type of the market field it is, if you want to go with that, just click on it. So based on the fields it's changing, can you see here, based on the fields it's changing. Okay, and if you want to go with any other options like a manual, just click on the manual, based on the manual it will change automatically. But in a manuals we are having different type of the manuals. You want to go with the kids wear and health sector based, and which one you need to take, women fashion, anything you can select, and based on that it will show the options to you. Okay, if I want to go with the appliances, click on the appliances, just based on the appliances it will give the making changes to here. And if you want to clear, just click on the clear and it will come for the original data. Okay, and coming to next one, descending order. I just clicked on the descending order, the values will be there in a descending order, but descending order is nothing but alphabetic descending orders. Okay, so can you see here it's showing a different type of the options again here. So I just want to go with alphabetic, just go with the alphabetic order, and there you can check with the different type of the options with the categorizing part. Okay, so these are the options with the sorting of the normal one. But now I'm just taking sales and category. Okay, sorry, states and category I'm taking to here, and again I will take another combination for it. Okay, so I'm just taking based on the gender. Okay, I need to go with some status. Okay, you just want to go with the different type of the options like this, you can see. So based on the gender I'm having the male and female, and the status I should know which type of the state it is. Maybe that person's maybe sales may be cancelled, closed, or it's in a holded position, otherwise the refund, okay, received payment. So these type of status will be there, and for the information of the data. So now I just want to go with the again gender, and I can go with the sorting option. And how you need the sorting option, you just give the sorting option. So this is about the different type of the data sets. Okay, and here you can see if I gone with the field and it's showing based on the field name, you just go with the age. Okay, which type of the information you need, through the country you need and through the mail ID you need, whatever you need, you just take the information and you just take aggregation. Aggregation is nothing but what, minimum maximum values, counting process, averaging values, summation values, these are only the aggregations, right? You can take anything and you just give on it, and based on that it will display the data to us. Okay, if you want to go with any other applications with the sorting, so just go with the sorting again. I'm just going with the age. Okay, and I'm just going with the total age and total. I'm taking total of the data is how much is there and what is the age of the data. Now I just want to go with this again sorting option. I can go with the different type of the options with this ascending order or descending order based on the alphabetics or anything, and that then it will display the data, right? So now I'm just taking same thing only to here, age, and I'm taking state to here. Okay, so based on the state based on the age and total, I need to create a data visualization for the purpose. So what is the use of this concept? Actually, this is about the sales market ma. In this sales market, how we can analyze the data, how we can visualize the data based on the states, based on the age, and based on the summation of the total values. So that purpose, you just select that, just drag the age to here and drag the state to here. Just click on the age and give some labels. Based on age, it will give the labels. Can you see? Based on the age, it's giving some numbers. So for the state, I need to give some different type of the colors. Then you can give the different type of the colors. Okay, can you see? Based on the state wise, we are having the different type of the colors. These many states we are having: Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand. Okay, so Andhra Pradesh, okay, Arunachal Pradesh, each and everything what we are having the data, each and everything will be there here. Okay, so these are the states. Okay, but in these states, if you want to filter only little bit thing, then you can filter it also, no problem. Okay, so now I just want to go with the same thing only, and this is about the sorting option with the different type of the options. Okay, so now I just want to go with the sorting with total. I want to give, and for the total too, I just want to give the labels. Okay, so this is enough now. Okay, so if you want to go with any other option, you can use the options too. So I'm just going with these options what I drag to here for the marks. Here I'm just going with the options. Here we are having the different type of the options, right? So filters, show filters, worksheet, format, tooltip, okay, dimensions, attributes. Based on the attributes you can show, measure values you can show, and if you want to go with the average values, it will show the average values to us. So can you see age, state, each and everything it's showing. Okay, so whatever you need the values, you can go with the sorting option to here. So this is about the sorting, different type of the sorting options to here. So now I just want to go with the third one is about filtering. Ma'am, yesterday we shown already, then why you want to go with the filtering again? So in filtering we are having the different type of the options. Now we can check with the different type of the filtering options to here. Then how to do the filtering I will see. So this is about the filtering of one. So now how to do the filtering? The same thing only I am taking to here for the filtering. Okay, so now I just want to go with the different combinations like age, okay, and total I want to take. I'm just taking a age and total. Now I just want to use the option here, total. Again I'm just dragging the total to in these marks, and here I just want to use a continuous. Then it will take the continuous values, and after that I just want to create the different applications to here. So I'm taking the age, and for that age I just want to take the with the different type of the options. Okay, this is about the continuous format with this information here itself, right? So now after that, and you just want to go with any other options, you can go to here. So this age I am taking to here. So I am just going with the different type of the options to here. Okay, so now what I am doing here, I just want to go with the different type of the filterings to here. Okay, so now I'm deleting what I given here. So age and total I have given, and that is also I'm deleting to here again. So I will show you the filtering process to properly here. So age and total I'm taking to here, total, and for this what I'm having my age. Okay, the age data I'm just going with the filtering option to here. If you are going with the filtering option, then you can see the option like this. So this is about the pure filtering. Yesterday we didn't complete the pure filtering. Now we can see the full filtering process to here. And the first one is about here the general. Okay, general is nothing but which type of the data you are having, and the data, and it will show the all options to here, means select from the list whatever you need. Okay, here all data will be there with the different type of the numbers based on the total and age, right? These are the age numbers, this is about the total. And now I just want to filter off something. I don't want to take 19, 18 like this. Okay, so then after that, if you're clicking on the exclude and remaining thing, it will exclude the data, otherwise it will go with the normal data. And is my summary, I'm just going with the fielding option. The first one is which type of the field it is, that is the age field. What is the selection of the data? Selected 54 out of 58 values. Totally 58 is there, but I removed here 4, then it's showing 54 only you have selected. And wildcard, all will be there. I will show you what is wildcard and condition and limit. So now I just removed only 4, and now I just want to click on the apply and click on the OK. So can you see here, previously from the 18th onwards we are having the data here in a downside, but now we don't have anything to here. Okay, so what I did here, age I taken for the colors and total I am taking to here, and for the total I am giving as a labels. So labels I got here again, and each and everything I got, but in a filters I used only the age. Okay, so again I'm just going with the age, and I'm just going with the edit filter. Okay, for the editing of the mooring options. So now it's already completed general. Now I just want to go with wildcard. In wildcard, what you want to start with? Okay, I just want to start with what we are having the data. Can you see here, all are numbers, right? So can I give a number as 25 here? If you are giving the 25, then it will start the option up from the 25. Just it will start with the data of the 25. Okay, if you want to take all data, then you can take the all data to here, and from the wildcard you just remove the 25 itself. Okay, now can you see all our data we got it? So just go to the age in a filters and click on the edit filter, and can you see the options to here? And after that wildcard, now only we just started with the ending values, contains, exactly matches, whatever you're giving the match value here, then it will take the matching of the option. Coming to the third option is about the condition. Condition is nothing but, so how many data fields you have to display by the field. So that's why I just selected the by the field, and total how many is there, and in that what you need. So previously what we are having here, the total and as well as based on the age only there, but I need to go with some because of the country, and in country also what you need, maximum values you need, minimum values you need, and anything you need. You just select anything to here. I just given already the value of that one, and total range of the values how many you need. For the country you need, right? So how many you need, and how many you need for the maximum and minimum values to here. Okay, If you want to go with any formula, then you can go with the formula and click on the apply, then you can click on the OK. Okay, so like that, whatever you need, the different type of the options, you can get the options to here. Okay, so this is about wildcard, condition, and as well as last one is about the top. Top, by the field you have to select top how much from the top you need or from the bottom you need. I'm just selecting the top, so top 10 values it will display, and what is the total value you need and what is the sum value you need. You need only sum value or any aggregations you need, you have to take, and after that you can click on the apply and select on the OK, then you can get the option is about these values. So what is this? Total and age, but for the sum values, these are the sum values for the filtering process of the one. Okay, so these are the values, then fine. Okay, I just want to go with the fourth one is here, sheet 4. I'm just going with the rename as filter 2. So now in filter 2, again I'm taking the age, and again I'm taking the total, but now what I'm having my age, I'm just loading the age to here in a filtering process. I'm clicking on the apply and OK, but now I'm just going with the option as show filters. Can you see what I'm having my filters? It's showing all things in a right side of the data, right? So this is about the showing of the filters of the data, whatever you're having the data. Okay, so that is about the sorting of the data and the clear of the data. And if you want to go with a different type of the filtering options, then you can go with the different type of the filtering options to here. So now this is about the normal data, then fine. I just want to go with the formatting of the filters. If you want to do the format, then what you will do? Okay, so this is about the show filtering option, then there you just got the information. Now I just want to go with the sheet number 5, and here I am just giving filter 3. Filter 3 is nothing but for myself format. I just want to go with the format of the data, so that's why I'm taking to here the category to the columns. Why give age? Okay, category I'm just going with the columns, and total I'm just giving for the rows. Now what I'm having the category here, I'm just giving the right click on it. You can check the filter options, right? Otherwise the show filters, then it's showing the filters, that's fine. Here then you can use different type of the formats to here. So previously what we did, show filters we did, right? In these show filters only, in right side of these graphical representation, can you see it showing some option in a right side? Just click on it. Now you can see format, filters and controls data. Just click on it. Whatever you're having the data, then it will format. And for this formatting of the data also, if you want to change any titles or body of the data, okay, you can change the titles and the body of the data here. So now this table I don't want to go with this different type of the color and this much of the size. I just want to increase the size of my data, and I just need to go with a different type of the colors. I want to give some red color to here for the table format. Okay, so I just want to go with the bold. Just select on the bold. Okay, alignment, how you need, from the left side you right side you need, or the center you need, whatever you need you just select. And for the body part, and you have to give different type of the color, just you select the color. Okay, bold or the italic, and how you need the shading part. If you need any shades on that, just select the shading off. Next, borders, if you need any borders, just select the borders. Okay, so this is about the title option for it. Can you see, this is about the category, right? Filtering option, right? So format filtering is in a right side, right? For this format of the filtering, so what I did here for the body, can you see, I given the italic model and green color I have selected. So that's why it's showing all formatting with the different type of the data. So now this one completed, just click on this one. Why you want to use this one means, when you have selected here format and controls the data, then it will take automatically options like this. Here you can change how you need the formats. And in customize, if you want to go with the different type of the customize, you just go with any type of the customize. So if you want to select on the if you want to use the buttons, then you can use the buttons for it. So whenever you're selecting the button, then it will just click on the apply, then it will apply the data to here. Okay, so this is the option how to do the format of the filtering. Okay, format of the filtering also I need different color type of the colors, means then you can take the same thing only. Okay, so different type of the colors you can take, no problem. Okay, like this you can take. This is about the formatting of the data with the different type of the colors what we are applying. Okay, so can you see here in my data, structuring of the data is completed, sorting and filtering of the data is completed, pivoting at starting only we just completed that one, and still now we use different type of the advanced filterings, right? And customizing tooltips, at the end of the time we can use the tooltips, and formatting of your data with the different type of the colors. So shall I use the different type of the colors for the formatting or not to here, right? So that's it. And after final information, we should create the dashboards for it. But before going to the dashboards, I just want to take some little bit calculations in a filtering process. Okay, I just want to go with some different combinations with my graphical representation, data visualization, that I can discuss here. Okay, so which type of the data we are taking here? So sales data we are taking here, right? For the sales data, I need to go with some particular options to here. Okay, so I'm just going with the fifth one as sheet 5. State with age combination graphical representation I need, that's why I'm just taking. Again I'm taking to here state, I'm having the state, I'm just taking state for the, okay, state and total we can take. Okay, so the first combination is about state and total. Why I just want to take means calculations yesterday we did very less, no, today we can try with the calculations for it, and at the end of the time we can create a dashboard for all those information. Okay, I'm taking state is for columns and total is for the rows, and this is my data. And for this data I just want to go with the graphical representation with the different type of the graphs. So now take a state, you to here, and total you to here. Okay, so for the state I just want to go with the colors. For the sum I just want to go with the labels. Okay, labels and colors will be there. Okay, so now for my state and total I want to go with the data visualization with a combination. So okay, this is my graphical representation, but I just want to go with the different type of the graphs. Okay, I need like a mapping graphs, that's why I just clicked on the mapping and I will get the mapping graphs. Okay, if you want to go with the bubble sorting also we can use the bubble sorting. If you want to add much more information here you can add too, no problem. Based on the year, based on the total, based on the state, and we can create some combinations to here. And now I'm just going with a new sheet, and that is the combination of the second one, and the combination is about month and total months how many are there, and based on that how much total data will be there. So that purpose I'm giving here month total combination. Sales, based on the months what is the total sales. So based on the month I should give the total sales, that's why I'm just taking month. Okay, So for the rows I'm taking as a month, and for the columns I should take total, right? So month total I should take here, and where is month? So here also I am taking the month and total. Okay, so month total will be there. I just want to go with the pie chart now. Previously we used different type of the charts, but now I just want to use based on the month I need total sales. So but I need here the standard, not standard, entire view I need. I'm just going with the entire view, and here you just want to go with the different type of the options to here, then you can use for the month, for the total. If you want to give any labels, you can give the labels to here. So labels came, right? For the month we are having already the colors. Okay, so here can you see, if you are focusing on it, you are getting some option as month is this one, April 21, and total sales will be 36 lakhs 69 something, right? So whatever you have in the data, this is about the graphical representation for that based on the month total sales. Okay, and coming to the next part, third will be based on the state. When you are selecting the age, and based on the age we have to do. So now we just want to go with the age based. With the total only we just want to go with the age based, but now you just want to take age. So select the age. Here also you just take the age and select here. Click on the dimensions. Here also just click on the dimensions. Here you just take convert to the measures. Based on the measures it will come to here, and again you just take the same thing only. Based on the dimensions you can take, and based on the dimensions it came. Now you just take age and total. Age I have taken. Now I just want to take the total for the rows and take the data for the rows. So if you are having any doubt, just keep the message in chat box. Okay, I'm just seeing the chat box. Okay, after completion of this one, just go to here age and click on the edit alias. Just go to the edit alias. Here we are having the different type of the values, right? So here what you're having, the age, for that age you just create bins. So create a bin like create bins, and the values will be, just take the 10. Okay, this is about the creation of the bins. Just take the values and just click on the OK. then it will create the bins, right? Just drag this one and go to the columns option. Just delete this previous one and you just select the age bins, and here you just go with the edit alias, and here we are having the different values. So if you want to change any value, just click on the values. Okay, here 10 is there now, so you just give different type of the options to here. Okay, so if you want to make any changes, you can make the changes to here. So 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. If you want make any changes based on the age, you can change. Here can you see in a downside 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 is there, right? But now I am just giving here like this type of the options, means here the values will be changed like this. Okay, now I'm just clicking on the OK. Can you see downside the values will be changed here, right? So this is about the editing option with the different type of the structurings and advanced visualizations. Okay, so this is about the different type of the options to here. And now I just want to go with the different type of the options to here. So that is about, I just want to find out the discount of the based on the percentage. Now I just want to go with the new, and there I am just taking again discount based on the quantity. We have to find out the discount. So that's why I just want to take here. So I'm taking to here quantity of the order I'm taking for the columns, and discount percentage I'm taking to my rows. Then I got the values to here, right? Then you just go with this order and click on the dimensions, then you can get the different type of the dimensions to here. Okay, so these are the dimensions how you need. And coming to the next one, so take region and different type of the combinations we have to check, that's it. Okay, so total and region I'm taking to here, then you can check with the different type of the options. Okay, then go to the region and select different type of the measures, how much type of the measures you need, based on the count you need, or based on the minimum values you need, based on the maximum values you need, and how you need, you just go with the different type of the options to there. Okay, I just want to go with the minimum values, then you can use the minimum values. If you need the maximum values, then you can use the maximum values for it. Count, then you can go with the count. Okay, so this is about the combination of the another combination. Now I just want to go with the last combination, is about gender along with the category along with the total. So now I just want to take based on the gender. Okay, so based on the category, okay, I need to take the total combination. So for this I just want to go with a different type of the options. So now I just want to use a different type of the options to here. So that purpose I just want to take different combinations to here. So I'm just going to here, and I used to create the calculated field, and I just want to use the calculated field as female based data. Now I want to take the condition if the gender, whatever I am having the gender is equal female. If it is a female, then I should take, then I just want to take the total. Okay, means how many females genders will be there, and based on that I just want to take the total. Based on the female, I just want to take the total of the data, and I should complete with the end. Okay, so it's showing the calculation is valid, means so in a gender I just want to select only the female, then it will show the total of the female data, total sales, and I just want to click on the apply. Then can you see female based data set we got here, right? So now again I'm taking to here, so I just want to click on the OK. Now again I'm just taking to this one, and I'm just going with the creating of the folder. So now I'm just taking the same thing for the female data, male data. If gender equal, what I need to take, female already have taken and male I should take, and then if the gender is male, then I should take the total. Then the program will be end. So the calculation will be valid, then it will show the valid, and click on the apply, then click on the OK, then it's showing the female data and the male data. Just you take female data and male data to here. Just delete the gender. Okay, so these are the values based on the female, based on the male, then I should take the data. Based on the state you have to take, then you take the data in a state wise. Okay, so like this what we are having the values, all values will be displayed here for the displaying of the data. Okay, so this is about the different type of the calculations. What we told today, all thing will be completed almost. So structuring of the data at starting we completed, sorting and filtering is completed, pivoting is nothing but structuring when we are doing removing of the data, or if you are going with proper structure, that is about advanced visualization tools, means we used different type of the filters. Okay, different type of the customizing filters we used. Okay, tool tips I just want to say now, and formatting of data with the different colors we used already, and I will show you the formatting of the data, right? So with the different type of the colors we used right here. So this is about the different type of the formattings, and for all those things we should create the finally dashboards, and we should display the dashboards, and we should publish the dashboards with the visualization part. So now we can go with the dashboards. So if you want to create the dashboard for all those things, click on the dashboard and go to the new dashboard. Yesterday how we created the same thing, only how to create the data dashboard, but you have to click on the floating, then only the floating values will be displayed here. Show dashboard title, then you can give the dashboard title to here and what you need. So today is about customer sales for data, and I just want to go with all this information with bold. Okay, if you want to go with a bold, and then you can use the bold, and which color you need, you just give the color, whatever you color need, and if you want to insert anything, you just insert. Okay, and if you want to increase the size of the data, then you can increase the size of the data to here. Okay, and click on the apply, then click on the OK. So this is about my dashboard, right? Dashboard name, title of the dashboard, right? So here I just want to take here automatic range, then it will take the full range of the data. Now what you are having different type of the options to here. Okay, in sheets, how many sheets we are having, all sheets you want to drag to here one after another. This is my first sheet. If you don't know, don't need any type of the information, just delete this information to here. Click on close button, then it will delete. And coming to the next one, sorting to, and this is also you can delete, no option, no problem. Coming to the next one, filtering, just take the filtering to here. If you want to make the change of the size, then you can change the size of the you can make the change of the size. Okay, no problem. So this one is no need, no, just delete the labels. And filter 1 is completed. Now I just want to go with the filter 2. Okay, just change the size because we are having lot of things, no, just change it and keep here filter 1, filter 2 and remove it. And coming to the next one, filter 3 is format is there, and take the filter 3 to here, and this is also very big, and I just want to change the filter process should be with the same. Okay, because I need this format is nothing but this category is very important, no, that's why you should take the category to here. Okay, if you want to change the size of this one, then you can change the size, adjust these two. Okay, so this is about the format, filter 3. And coming to the next one, state and total, right? You just take state and total and to here. If you don't have the space, just do one thing, just adjust the sizes. Okay, adjust the sizes. Just adjust the sizes and you will get the option. If you are if you need to go with the clarity information, then you can expand the data. And whatever you're thinking you don't need anything, just remove the data like this. So if you want to increase, and you just increase, no problem. Here change the size and adjust it. Coming to the month to total we can give here, no, this side labels no need, right? So now I just want to adjust this one, just adjust all those things. How you need the dashboards, you should create based on that. Okay, so these are the unwanted things, and if you want to remove anything like that, you just remove the data, no problem. Okay, so adjust all those things like this. And this is about the month and total, and this is also I want to adjust little bit, just adjust it. Okay, month total will be completed. So I just want to go with the age based, click on the age based, and you just adjust the size of it. Okay, okay, see, if you are thinking it won't be clear, then you can increase the size of that one, no problem, it will come like this. Okay, so this is about the dashboard creation, and here if you are moving the cursor, and it will highlight some values how you need. Okay, so this is about the dashboard. Now you just go to the file and click on the save TABLEAU to the public, then it will ask to sign in. If you already sign in, no need to give any sign in. Okay, so now I'm creating my TABLEAU node workbook with name as customer sales, because I'm just going with the customer sales only. So that's why, and click on the save. Then it will be open in a dashboard. In your dashboard it will open. So my dashboard name is, so see, 12 is there overall. Okay. So it's sending to the server, means whatever you are creating the all data, and it will send to the server. Okay, that is only about the sending the information and publishing of our visualization. Okay. So can you see here, it's opened here, right? What is my name of this account for the TABLEAU? Lakshmi Meghna. Okay, so this is my TABLEAU account, and you can see all outputs what you got there. Okay, every output you can see very clearly here in your dashboard. You created this dashboard. Okay, so how you are creating the dashboard, based on that it's very useful to see the information with the different type of the data visualizations. Okay, so this is, today we discussed each and everything, and I will show you again and again. So this is the first sorting option. This is about the quick sorting. Automatically we can use the sorting like this, ascending order, descending order, or so normal one. And in sorting option 2, we have to go with the different type of the sortings to here. Okay, coming to the filtering one, how you need the filtering, you can select the filtering, and in filter 2 also we can go with the different type of the filterings. In third filtering, you just want to create this formatting of the filter, and how you need the table, how you need the information. And coming to the next one, so this is our main dashboard, and different type of the combinations we have taken to here. Okay, if you are having any doubts, please check with the doubts, and we will share you the feedback link, and please proceed with the feedback link. Yeah, so I shared the feedback link. Please check with the feedback link. And if you are having any doubts, so wait for 1 minute, we will share you the link again. If you are having any doubts, please keep message. So thank you very much. If you are having any doubts, please keep message, and we will share you the link. In chat box we will share you the link. So wait for 1 minute and I will open the link and I will share you the link. So now I am sharing you the link. Once please check with the link. I think now hope you got the link, right? So thank you. If you are having any doubts, please raise your doubts here. Otherwise we can complete the session for today. And if you like this session, please like, share, subscribe to the Pantech Learning. Thank you.